Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix KB5046613 update not installing on your Windows 10 system. If you try to install KB update and fail to install, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup in your system. Here select the drive you want to clean up, choose the drive where your program files exist, click on OK. A new window will open, and here under files to delete, make the check against option downloaded program files, temporary internet files, and such other. And click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Choose delete files. And after that, check whether your Windows latest update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key. Type services.msc in search field of run dialog box. Click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then choose. Thereafter apply, double click on it to open its properties, and here go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Same process will be applied for other services, and the second services is cryptographic services. Right click on cryptographic services and choose start, otherwise restart. Apply, double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. And the third services is look for Windows installer services. Scroll down and you will find the services, Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart, and thereafter apply, double click on it, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows and go to next services. Look for Windows update services. Same procedure, right click on it and choose start or restart, whichever applicable to your system, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties, and here also set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter restart your system and check whether Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side under system settings, look for the option troubleshoot from the right side, and here click on other troubleshooters and run Windows update troubleshooter. Windows troubleshooter update troubleshooter, run, click on run and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. After that, check whether your error Windows update failed to install resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, Execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall under public network as well as private network and finally click on OK from the bottom right corner. Don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again after your problem is resolved. And check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute some Windows update components as shown on screen. First, execute these four commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. To stop these four services, one by one, execute these four commands in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. And thereafter, execute some other Windows update components as shown on screen. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You can copy from video's description box and execute one by one, and after that execute these four commands also to start all those services which you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. After that, close the windows and don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. Manually download and install Windows update. To do so, open your Google Chrome browser and here type Microsoft Update Catalog in search field. Press enter. Now click on Microsoft Update Catalog. Appeared as first result. And here under search field, type the KB update which you want to download and install, KB5046613, and click on search. And now all its related updates will visible here. Simply click on download and rather install it manually. That's all.